Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable notifications in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the library button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the notifications button. And as you can see, these are the notifications that you can enable or disable. And you can turn it all on or off by clicking on the push notifications section. But you can do them individually as well and just select the ones that you're interested in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.